Ooh, what is life without you? How can I live without you? You are the only one that takes my breath away. Why are you stepping back? Won't you hold my hand? 'Cause I want to be your sanctuary forever, baby. Tell me.
Osundu!
Uncle, I cannot do that. I cannot marry her. I have someone I am planning to get married to. Please, let nobody spoil my future and my plans. So, if you check well, Uncle, I am not the only one that has been sleeping with her. I am not the one who got her pregnant. How am I sure? Please, I cannot do that. With all due respect, Uncle.
Osundu, you cannot marry her, but you got her pregnant.
Ojaye now.
I'm Ojaye. Iwe wunyano. Eh? She's only good in bed, not for marriage. See, for your information, her late father's brother, Obuefi, likes case, and I'm not ready for that case now. See, I went to Umuaku with Nze. He doesn't sound well at all. I have only played my part as an uncle. The choice is yours. If you like, heed to my advice. If you don't like, leave it. But don't say that I did not warn you.
Uncle, I will not do it. If you likes, let him sound like Ogena Adia State. That sound like Ogena Kwakwa. I will not do it. Because I talk about me.
You have already pushed me out. You have pushed me out already. I'm not waiting for you to say. Jesus. But don't say that I did not warn you. A stitch in time saves 9. Osundu, don't say that I did not warn you. If you like, give to my advice. If you don't like, leave it.
Osundu. I've been observing you since you came. You are too moody. What happened?
Hey, oh my God. I'm not happy at all.
Eh?
At all. Can you imagine? Mandeka. Chisom is pregnant.
Chisom? Pregnant? Hey. Chisom is a nice girl. It's a good girl. I can recollect fine all what you have been telling me about Chisom. How she has been helping you in all angles. So Chisom is a good girl. Chisom loves you so much.
Mandeka, you will not understand. You won't understand at all. There's this, my classmate, one girl that... Anyway, don't worry. Don't worry, Mandeka. You will not understand.
A girl? A girl that is on top of Chisom or under Chisom? Osundu, let me tell you, Chisom is a good girl. You marry Chisom. They don't marry wife because the wife is tall or fat or yellow purple. No. Chisom is a good woman. Chisom will help you to build your home. Osundu, Chisom is a builder.
Man, man, like, let's go. Chisom.
Chisom is a good girl. Is that for all I know? Yes, now. And I'm happy very soon now. I'll begin. She was born something for me. Hey, Osundu my man. I thank God. Hey.
I bet you go help me stop me for that St. Joseph Church. And that place I dey go.
St. Joseph, na 200.
Na 150 oh.
You dey ride bike?
But na 150 they carry, and I dey always go there.
Ah.
Yes, na 150 I get.
We are enter now. I will carry you because you be fine girl.
No wahala, no wahala. Thank you.
Chisom, Uncle, ever since your parents died, I have been taking care of you single-handedly. I warned you from bringing disgrace to this family, even against that pauper that you opened your legs for. A lot of rich men came here asking for your hand in marriage, but you refused because you don't want me to reap from the fruit of my labor. I have done my part by asking that young boy to come with his people and take you away from here. Chisom, you know, this is not your father's house. I was only kind to you to avoid what people will say. If you like, you go there and cause problems. I'm sure them how useless you are. But I want to remind you something. Whatever you do there, bear it in mind that you're not coming back to this house again. Lest I forget, I collected a little money from those people as your bride price.
We katamano wakobi nwannem. We katamano wakobi nwannem. Obi nwannem eh. Alamalo. Obi nwannem eh. Alo. Akwanna waka. What is the problem? About night. Ghana must go. What's the problem? Chakwa. Oh, desperation. Hey, non-desperate chicks. Ha! No wonder. You should have told me that you're looking for accommodation. Why didn't you wait for me to come? Yeah? At least let me come and say, come to my house. You see? You see your life? Respect womanhood is not proud of you. They are not proud of you. You just said that somebody is pregnant, that somebody made you pregnant. Why? You don't go carry your bag. Why? To the person's house. How would the person respect you? Will the person respect you? You see? You should have told me that, I'll be off and no. I needed where to sleep or lay my head and all that. Listen to me. If you must stay in this house, Mekatana Ganozo where Nukepu. Osundu Jokatoba chisom. I will kill you before you leave. Did you hear me?
Osundu, what have I done to you? Have you forgotten so soon the love we shared? The promises, everything. Why are you talking to me like this?
Me and you shared love. Be careful, well. Me and you shared love. The promises. Me and you. Now look on Ife. Both of us shared. Me promised you. If I had ever promised you, I promised I was going to beat you. Like I said, go inside this house if you will stay. But please, I do not want to hear my name outside. Nambambanina, all this vicinity. I do not want to hear my name. Did you hear me? You should have told me that you're looking for rent. I got Ogunmola, but man, I Ogunmola. Go inside. Some nika I wore since or kadakalu and all that dust to the queer, so you concentrate well and wash it. What are down below? Nya. At least because I will not take money, rent money. I will not. And desperation. You see, you should have told me that you don't have a place to lay your head. And then you store a carton package. No, every night. Desperate chick. No, who get that thing with the wine on my dance floor? Desperate chicks. Yeah. Kita maybe go there. Oka buru abako na azu afi onions na ugwu Hausa. Okay. No na ma anu onu wine. Also dundu na anu wine. Like guy na your school bigo. E ba dizo chakale area ni. Don't enter my bedroom, oh. Stay in the parlor first. Ba mama chincho all the time ba hibu.
I am now in the laughing stock. Yeah, there is no one to run to.
Who's this one? Get out from there. You're what? You're doing what? You want to share my bed with you?
Sorry.
No, gini. No, I was in Obo. Mba Osundu na Mrs. Osundu. So if I leave you, you will just be on my bed. You see, I will chase you out of. In fact, go out. Go out now. Go outside. Go outside. Did you take my pillow? Drop it. Will you rush away? No, if I let you, you come and lie down on my bed. You are not even afraid of losing one of your eyes. Because
I am now in the laughing stock. Yeah, there is no one to run to. Ain't no Jurimo, Anna Jurimo. Oh, this is the fate of my life. One more, you can measure. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Oh yeah, come on, measure. Oh yeah, oh yeah. One more, you can measure. Oh yeah, oh yeah. One more, you can measure. Half of that time. Oh, I'm a victim of circumstance. Everyone is judging me. I'm rejected by the world. I am all alone, waiting for a miracle. One more, you can measure. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Oh.
I don't want it. Yeah, now. Come down. Now you're bad. You me to my destination. How?
No be table water company this.
This is table. The man said you should be rolled by the table water company. Why are you stopping me here?
Ghana here be the cocoa. No go area here. You want to kidnap me?
Come. Eh?
I don't understand.
See, please.
Okay, give me my money, I beg.
I've told you before that I would need to use a POS to give you money. You don't have to hold my waist
I
like
don't
this.
understand.
Get your hands off
I'll
me.
be the mentor. Put you on POS. Do transfer for me.
Oga, why are you?
What kind of embarrassment is this? Why are you holding me because of 1,000 naira?
I dey fear you.
What is
you
the
wear look at.
What is the problem? Why are you holding him?
Carry this guy from park to City Gate. From City Gate to here now. No be table water company. I'll be there too for this community.
This is not the where I'm going. I told him. In fact, it was not even me. Somebody told him, because I do not know my way around here, that when he gets to this table water company, the road by the side of the table. This is the road by the side of the table water company.
It's fine. Oga, please leave him.
What is this?
Leave him.
Okay, get your hands off me before I change it.
How much is the money?
1K, give me.
See,
You don't get money, talk. No talk. You don't get.
See, I can actually pay this
Don't
money.
worry. It's fine.
Okay,
I can pay this
Don't
You don't
money.
get
worry.
money. All this is a fake life. We don't see him for years. Give me. Come on, carry.
Give
on.
him.
Carry. No. Okay.
Don't break my box.
Come on, yeah.
It's expensive.
Fake life.
It's okay.
Or they live fake life. Make sure say, well, I go take my.
So why are you not going there? If you're not a mad person, why are you going there? Didn't you say you don't go there?
It's okay, please.
Thank you. Thank you so much. See, I can actually pay this money. Just that I do not have physical cash. You know, I'm just sent to this place as a copper. I don't even know where I'm going, but I'll find my way.
Right.
But please, thank you. Thank you for being so generous towards me, even without knowing me. I really appreciate this. But please, can you at least give me your number so I can call you and then send your money to you, or tell me where you are living so I can actually bring your money back to you?
It's not necessary.
No, I insist. Would you at least tell me your name? I didn't get your name. My name is Ayomide. So what am I going to do from here? I don't even know where I'm going. Huh? So if I had known, I would have just hold my car. Huh? So I'm going to drag my box down this local cake village.
Okay, for now, 1 man neck that I paid. I brought 2 bottles kangaroo nya. Na me yeri ego. Osa nji ugwo. Amma bia na mgbede now. I will be there in the evening. I won't have what to The evening will come out. And all yeah. Okay, why are you standing now? Connected 24 December. Eh? What is it?
Osundu, what was the meaning of what you did yesterday? You brought a girl into our home and you both slept together till this morning.
Point of correction. My house, not our house. This is my house and I do whatever that pleases me. Did you hear that? You have never been wanted. No more when you say be. So if you're not comfortable, pack your remaining rags and leave my presence. Leave my house. Oh, how's that?
Osundu, why are you treating me like this? Why are you treating me like this after everything? Now listen to me. I will not have you disrespect me in this house by bringing women into this house. You won't try this next time. I am your wife. I'm pregnant for you. I'm carrying your child.
No, you're not carrying my child. You have a child in your womb. That is not mine. And I want to get something straight. I can't remember why I say after everything. After every word. I just want to know. Okay, that's what you want to cage me with. You know, Mba Amanda IJEOMA IKPO. See, I am not the one who paid your bride price. My uncle did. So, I'm not your husband. Did you hear?
Osundu, how did we get here? How did we get here?
How did we get here? How did we? Eh? I do your uncle if you call my own uncle how we got here. Look at you. Now new Gen Z. How did we get here? Kebe Mutalia online with that owner. Eh? You must have bagadi one baby. Now at Gen Z. Listen to me. If you question me in my house again, if you're not comfortable with the way I live, why? Anyway. Anum papa. Nanu. Oh, you could see him with your lamp where for see the lamp. Yes, if I do for you. Anyway. You want my to I will bring 5 girls.
Oh, sorry, who is here, please? Who is here? I need pick choco. Yeah?
What do you want to buy?
Where do I know this face from? I remember. You are the lady that saved me the other day. Wow, good to see you. Is this your shop?
Yes.
Nice. What happened to your eyes? The last time I saw you, I didn't see this.
You have no right, please.
See, I don't give up easily. So you stop the strict and stubbornness you're putting up. Okay? The last time I saw you, you helped me pay my bills. The least you could have done was to tell me your name, and now you are acting up. No man is an island. Okay? If you don't want people around, all you have to do is lock your shop and, lock yourself up in your house. But having said that, it's so good to see you. It's so good. I promise you'll be seeing my face often. At least now I know your shop. And for the other day, I think this will do. Thank you.
Come and take your money. Hey! Come and take your money. What is this now?
Come and take your money.
Ibrana, eh? You know, Nigeria of every state, you know.
Stop.
Hey, you're so beautiful. You know, last time I did not have the opportunity to introduce to you somebody.
Yes.
Okay, this is my cousin. She got pregnant outside wedlock. Oh.
Hey.
To one man. I don't know who gave her belly.
Hey.
Unknown man. Unknown man. Please, Chisom, this is my girl.
Hi.
Amanda.
Hi, Chisom. My name is Amanda. It's so nice to meet you.
Wetanaka kenonye na ekene gi Ademoye Ademoye. Akpo. Kenonye na ekene yi.
It seems she's upset.
Well, don't worry about her. She's not upset though. You know when when you are pregnant outside wedlock, out of wedlock, you will be jealous of your mates, especially when you see them on track and they go. Poor girl. Say it again. Say it again. Poor girl. In the poor. Go to Namor.
I feel so bad for her, honestly.
Okay. Let me see how you feel so bad for her.
I feel so bad for
her. Oh. Say that thing you said before. Say it again. Poor girl.
Poor girl.
Poor girl. Hey. In fact, Ibo is Singapore. Singapore. Yeah, poor girl. Let us go inside. Come on, give me. Let me show you why they call me Osundu Agwike. Oh, daddy. Oh, daddy. Oh, daddy. Shut up! Now, keep quiet. See, let this be a secret. Secret. And if this secret leaks, you are my cousin. My cousin you remain. Nothing more, nothing less. Did you hear me? If anything happens, if I hear him, you know what I can do to you? Blue black. I will throw you out of this house. Did you hear me? If I hear somewhere, swag on now, don't you have respect? Eh? Are you the one who gave me Osundu as a name? Did you hear what I said? If this secret leaks, have you seen how a woman should be? Cook bottle. Oh, there can the Catholic you say. For Snake and one, you'll be up to no mamma, the capabando namuke. Obro dem mother, dollar back up. Up where you're up was bossy protest. Manana swan okonoko. My friend, get off from there and go and cook food for my baby girl. I want mother the sharp. I saw again, I saw it is easy in Tinio. Nukwose na nukunu atonda wale nala Bring the food now.
I'm so hungry and it's getting late.
Mommy, you didn't eat before coming.
How about now, babe?
Sorry, I was wondering. Yeah. Oh,
Finally.
Hey, whatever. Hold on, because I know this girl. Before you put it all okay. Let me wash the spoon. Let's go.
Okay.
Oh, should I feed you?
Yeah. Babe, let me just eat first.
Okay. You like?
Baby, your cousin is a good cook. The food is so tasty.
My mom trained her.
Oh.
That's why she learned so much. Even though she went outside and jaye for somebody. You know? Is it not nonsense of her? She's an orphan.
Oh, poor thing.
Hey, baby, say it again. I like the way you say it. Say it again.
Poor thing. But baby, you're such a kind man. Letting her stay with you even in her condition.
What will I do? I have to help the poor. Vincent de Paul. What are you standing there doing?
But this food is good.
Okay. If not for her jaye, she would have been a cook. Live here.
Open restaurant.
We are eating. You're looking like Luguze.
Maybe she wants to come and join us.
You want to join? No. Should I feed you? Just Tim. I know, but hey! Chisom, so you want me to beg you before you give me the money you sold yesterday? Okay?
You and I know that shop does not belong to me. I am only helping Auntie Ada to manage there. You collected some money from my bag yesterday. That shop is going down. And the only money here, I want to use it to restock some items.
It's okay. Kasi no worry for Sundu Aguike na Aruaka Silieke. Okwanne, you want my baby to feel that I cannot feed her. That is your plan. Your plan will not work. You are a wicked person. Chisom, aid the wicked. In fact, you are a sister to that wicked man.
The money you're even asking for is not here. I don't have it.
Oh, you don't have money in this purse?
Nothing.
Are you gathering?
Yes.
Truto?
God.
Okay. Give me the bag. Yeah. Okay, you're dragging the bag. Who's giving you advice?
Don't give me back this purse. Give me back this purse.
Okay, since you said there's no money in the bag, let me see now.
Give my bag. Give my bag.
Osundu, you said there's no money in the bag.
How to restock the shop now?
Okay, are you mad? Are you mad? Look at her bum very strong like a stone. Look at this girl. She's telling me that she doesn't have money. Mbanka ba bread. This is Our Lady's bread in Onitsha. Yeah. Don't worry, yeah, get my name. Hey, where are you? Mommy. Hi. Abo mama na ebi no bi ndi eze. Imana mama na eli azondo. Nem turn around. Don't let me. Hey. Ma okwa agwo one day. Ombele ya akwa. Anyway, I overheard you, you were on the phone talking about
my skincare.
Your skincare and your toiletries, yes. And then I said, okay, but when I sell that land, I'll give you the money.
Hey, baby.
Have it and spend it lavishly. It is all yours. But for the meantime, my love, take this one.
All this for me?
Yes. Hey.
Babe.
And
This is a lot, oh.
Of course, you deserve more.
But baby, if I'll suggest,
okay,
instead of selling the land and giving me all the money, how about you sell it, then use the money and establish in the city?
Hey! Hey! Mama, nwere uche. Ịma na asị na agbọghọbịa ma mma dị eche mgbade a na-akwụ ụgwọ. Mana you are so beautiful and ị nwere uche. But don't worry, I'll give it to you. Or we can use it and plan our wedding. Okay?
Of course, babe.
So that 9 months in now.
Baby, thank you so much. I love you.
Oh, no, I love you. I love you more.
Baby, I really have to get going now before my dad starts calling me.
Your father Nka. One day, I'm going to walk about Libya. Okay? So, well, let me see you off. Let me see you off.
How did I not see all this mean and wickedness in Osundu? Why is Osundu treating me like this? I don't think I can bear this. How could Osundu introduce me as his cousin? Good morning, sir. Sorry. Good evening, sir.
Where are you coming from? Chisom?
I went to see my friend.
Chisom, you see that thing between your legs? That thing will put into trouble. And when it puts into trouble, I will not welcome any bastard in this compound.
She's a girl, oh.
I don't care who you went to see, you girl or not. I've just told you, if you get pregnant, I will not welcome any bastard in this compound. To not say I did not warn you.
Sorry, sir.
Chisom, I don't understand what you're saying.
Uncle, I am saying that if I can come back living here, I don't mind paying the rent and feeding myself.
Chisom.
Sir?
Chisom, see, that young man you picked is the best for you. You see, anything you see, you signed it. Marriage is for better, for worse. You even got pregnant for him. Now, you left your husband's house. You want people to tag this family with the bad name, in the sense that our girls don't last in their marriages. Just so remember what I told you, that you cannot come back to this family. if you leave here, remember what I told you. Osundu is your husband. If you like, let him put you inside the pot, cook you, and eat. You belong to him. I can't help you. There's nothing I can do. There's nothing I can do. You have to leave. You have to leave. He's your husband. Respect him. Whatever he says, you do it. If he says sit down here, you sit down. If he says stand up, you stand up. I want to remind you of something. Osundu is the God you are seeing. Don't worry. Very soon, you get used to all this thing. Marriage is beautiful. You know? Relax.
Uncle, he brings women to the house and...
Is that all? And what? Is that all? He brings women into the house. It's no news. Let me tell you. Those days, I don't know why women of this generation are selfish and greedy. Yes! Look, those days, our mothers will go out there, bring a woman for the husband to share.
Uncle!
Chisom, learn how to share. A man has every right to choose any woman, bring in anyone to his house. So, learn how to share. Can you finish it? Just learn how to share. Don't be greedy. The man is only helping you. Don't be greedy. You know? Don't worry. When you are done sitting, you go back to your husband's house. Make sure you get home on time so that you can prepare something for your husband to eat. You know? You know? See you.
Chisom. You're still crying. Why? It's okay. It's okay. Hi. Chisom, let me tell you. This is marriage. Marriage has its ups and downs. Let me tell you something. You see, when you were going out with Osundu, he was loving. He was very happy. Chisom, this one now is the reality. Marriage. You have to enjoy. You have to know how to, play the marriage. Please, my daughter, stop crying. Gather yourself up. How long will you continue with this? It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. My dear, it's okay. It's okay. Stop crying. Wipe your tears. Please.
So, give me two super packs.
Okay.
Then 3 eggs. Okay. Add onion to it. You have pepper. Please add it to it.
Welcome, my husband.
Please, I don't have time for that. I need money. My bike just scattered there. Did you buy any by mistake pour what's it called, salt into the bike?
No.
Because my sprockets just scattered everywhere.
Sorry. I've not sold anything today.
You've not sold anything? Are you playing or prank? You've not sold anything for what? Okay, what about him? Are you selling to him on credit? Is this a charity organization? Is that what you're running here? Are you feeding street boys?
Kilon saw. Shemi Lombawi. Are you talking to me? Are you referring to me as a street boy? Do I look like a street boy to you?
Is there any other person here? Are you talking to me?
I'm talking to you. I'm talking to you. You're talking to me. Because you don't have any right to refer to me as a street boy.
Shemi Lombawi. Don't you have respect for elders? Anyway, I don't have your time. If I have your time, you will know. Who is this? Okay, you invited your boyfriend, Chisom. You invited your boyfriend to insult me.
No. Sorry, sir.
Well, anyway, you brought a wrong match because it's not a good match for me. Because show me Lumbawi. I will match him and Mbawi him. You see it?
Sorry, sir. Give me money, let me give to him.
Not possible. I'm not going to give you anything. Oga, who are you? Even if you are the one that opened the shop, didn't you just hear her say she does not have any money to give to you? Eh?
Okay, because of her phone. Because you have beer like me. No wonder. You have beer and for that you think you can match me. No, look yourself and look me. Can we? I chip here now. I don't even know what you're talking about. Little boy like you don't have respect. See, I don't have regards for little boys that do not respect others. I will flog you now. Anyway, why I will not spend much time talking to you is that he need you feeding bottle. As almost you don't look like a street boy. You look like Madubi. Eh? Okay, you don't have money to give me. You don't have money. No problem. I will go. My name is Osundu.
Osundu! Hey, what have you done?
What?
Please, next time, stay off my business.
That is not possible. There is no way I'm going to stay off your business knowing fully well how you came through for me the last time. Who is that man? What kind of a person is this? How did you come to know that kind of a person? Huh? Hey! There's no way I'll be standing here and watch him talk to you like that. Eh? It's not possible. Well, the most important thing about the whole situation is I got to know your name, Chisom. Beautiful name.
Please take, come and go. Come and start going, please. Come and start going. Give me money, please.
I don't care. He's calling me a street boy. Do I look like a street boy to him? You take transfer, right? Let me make a transfer to you. I have your account number. I'll do it as I'm leaving.
Hey!
Eh? Will you? Okay, you want to know what I will do? You want to know what I will do? If I'm telling you something, do it. Anything wrong with you? So you went and called your boyfriend for me? Eh? You went and called your boyfriend for me?
They did not call anyone. He's a customer that came to buy something.
Yes. Why didn't you collect the money and give to me? You wanted to humiliate me before everybody, so that you show that you are the one feeding me. Eh? Osundu on your Okada. On your Okada now there, 10 powder. Oria, you wanted to humiliate me?
Osundu used to love me. Why are you treating me like this, even in my condition?
Did you consider my condition? Did you consider mine when you did what you did? Eh? Onyala. You think it is easy to take care of and you're under my roof? You should be thankful. When you wake up in the morning, you say, Tansa, Osundu, Tansa. You put more Pugabeni. Oh, wake up, na main road, na junction, na Abaka, Kalu. Be fair to buy him. And then you want me to take care of you. You are under my roof. Be thankful. Nonsense. I told you to abort this nonsense you're carrying in your womb. But you did not listen to me. Is it easy to harbor Is it easy? You think it is an easy thing? If you say it is easy now, I'll take you outside. Let you even book a Ejo in our well at junction here to buy you. Not under my roof. You should be thankful. If you talk to someone now, you down. Other easy. What's your song? Now, Ubelgade Canecanism. When I even away, Ubelgade Canecanism make a town on Abonisi. If you may believe you. Said I be here? In a bomb draw. So what are you standing for? The Queen's. Then I tell you, we're looking for who will kill you. Look at this girl. Kneel on your knees. I said on your knees. Are you mad? Nonsense. Don't worry. You will be here. I can hear you. I can hear you. Stay like that.
Okay.
No, sorry. Just take it back. I won't accept it. I never asked for anything. Who sent you? Do you want to put me in trouble?
Nobody sent me and I don't want to put you in trouble. You're my friend. I don't have to wait till you ask before I get you stuff. I got it from my good heart.
You're a copper and you need it more. I should be the one giving you this because I heard that the allowance they pay you people is not enough. You're like a younger brother to me.
I'm sorry. Listen, Chisom, friendship should not be based off age. Okay? And about my allowance, I have enough money to pay everybody in this village double. Away from my allowance. Okay? So let's just scrap all that. Back to you. Who is he to you? Is he your boyfriend? Your husband or your father? You don't want to say? Listen, Chisom. I just want to be your friend. Nothing more.
I have nothing to say to you. And we can't be friends either. You already know my name and that's fine, please.
You think that is enough to keep me away? I won't stop coming. I won't go.
Huh?
Yes. Chisom, you need me.
I don't.
You do.
I don't.
Please, can I get water?
Copper saw! Copper saw! The only copper that has certificate.
How are you?
I'm fine.
Sit down.
Hey!
So you came looking for me.
Yes.
I hope I'm safe.
Yes, I said let me come because I didn't see you at the field today. So I decided to come and pay you a courteous visit. I hope all is well.
Again, as you can see, all is well. I'm fine. I'm doing great. Okay. It's good to see you.
Okay.
It's good to see you. Well, again, thank God you came because I've been meaning to ask you a question. What do you know about Chisom?
Chisom. Which Chisom?
The one that has a small provision shop down the road.
Oh, Osundu's wife. Yes, now. In fact, she just got married to her Osundu. Both of them were dating, doing boyfriend and girlfriend. Before you know what is going on, pregnancy, boss. Yes, and her uncle, Obuefi, insisted that both of them must marry, either life or death. So they are living like a husband and wife right now.
Sorry, but what about her parents?
Her parents died since 90 before now. She's an orphan.
I'm sorry I'm asking too many questions. I just want to get clarity. I mean, while she was living with her uncle, was he treating her nice?
Yeah, that one I don't know because I'm not living with them. Huh?
Yes.
I cannot live in my own house and live in their own house.
I know. I know. Final question.
Okay.
I'm sorry. Final question.
Yeah.
Are you... this man she's living with, what is his name again?
Osundu.
Do you know if he's treating her nice, like being sweet, taking care of her, you know, being kind to her? Do you know if he's doing all of that?
Kopasho, you would have told me before that you wanted to interview me. In fact, I'm ready to. I'm here for an interview, so that I can bring my certificate and other things now.
It's not like just.
See, let me tell you, Chisom is married and pregnant for that matter. I hope it's not what I'm suspecting. No. I hope it's not what I'm suspecting.
You I like her.
What? I soak myself with the blood of Pamela. Bahamokuneze. You like who? You like a pregnant woman? You like a married woman with pregnancy? No. See, let me advise you more. You will come and marry my own mother. She's still a virgin.
I have to go and see her now.
See who? Where are you going? Compassion.
Mama, good afternoon.
Good afternoon. What do you want to buy?
I want to buy Gary.
How much?
100 naira Gary.
Okay.
Gary. Mama, is it this cup that is 100 naira?
Yes, no.
Jesus.
No, I'll put something for you.
Mama, it's small now. Still hard now. Are you tying me?
You don't know what is going on in this country.
Still hard small now.
My sister, you won't understand. What do you want?
Granite.
How much is
granite? Let me see.
100 naira.
100 naira?
It's 100 naira. How many do you want?
It's just one. Sugar.
How much sugar?
50 naira. Okay. Even the sugar self is still small.
Hey.
That is
250.
250. That is my money is finished.
Thank you.
This small Gary.
Customer.
Alright, thank you.
You're welcome, eh?
Okay.
Madam. Good afternoon, ma.
Chisom.
Ma?
What is wrong? You've not come for sales check for 3 weeks. And the shop looks empty.
Ma, I've been sick, that's why. But I'll come tomorrow after sales.
Chisom.
Ma?
I know you are trying. Please put more effort.
Okay.
Please, look at my shop, it's empty.
Sorry, ma.
Have you taken medication?
Yes, ma.
Okay. Please, Chisom, keep it up. Yeah, look at my shop is empty. Please.
Okay, ma.
I need money so that my shop will boost again.
Okay, ma.
Let me check the other shops, eh?
Okay.
Take care of yourself.
Thank you, ma. What should I do now?
She has gone though.
Ekene.
Huh?
Please, take me to her house. Ekene, can you just be serious for once?
Take it to where? Her house. Nah, Brother, this is impossible mission now. It's not possible now. Even if you point me gun, I cannot go there.
What if I give you money for it? I'll pay you so you can take me to our house. Is that possible?
You want to entice me with one? You.
Ekene, I'm serious. Please.
Okay. You say you give me money?
Yes.
You pay now. You pay before service.
Ekene, take me there. I will pay. Trust me.
I need it now. I mean, now, and now. Seeing is believing. Yeah. At the mall now, It's not easy for me to go there.
No problem, Ekene. I'll give you.
See? I will not only show you, I will not show that.
Can we go now?
If I go there, I will...
Let's just go. We don't have...
Hey, Copper, sir! The only cover that have certificate. Copper!
Stock. Yeah, there is no one to run to. Ain't no oh, this is the fate of my life. One more can measure. Oh yeah, come measure. One more can measure. One more can measure. Half of that time. Oh, I'm a victim of circumstance. Everyone is judging me. I'm rejected by the world. I am all alone, waiting for a miracle. One more you can measure. Oh yeah, come on, measure. One more you can measure. One more you can measure. Half of that time. One more you can measure.
Because in our own way, our war, so we get one hour walk. An hour walk.
Osundu, where is the money you took from my purse?
An hour walk.
Why have you subjected me to slavery? I worked so hard to take care of myself and to put food on your table. But what do I get? Beating upon beating, Osundu.
Don't you know that this is a natural perfume? Are you talking to Osundu Agwike? You're talking to Osundu Agwike.
Osundu!
You're stupid. You're very stupid. You think you can cage me with that thing in your womb? I will not allow you to ruin my future.
So this is how useless you are.
Is that what you're talking to? Are you talking to me?
That shop, it was your fellow man that opened it for the wife. Why are you so shameless, Osundu? Why?
And now what?
Ah!
Talking to me. I will beat you.
Osundu!
I will beat you. I will beat you. I will beat you. I will beat you.
Somebody help me.
Let us go inside so that you will give me something.
Somebody help me.
Should I zip it?
Somebody help me. Somebody help me.
Are you stopping me? Where are you going? I am going there to save her. Can't you hear? He's beating her. That beast is beating her up.
So if I allow you now, you just plunge into someone's house, just like that. Don't you know this is a matter between husband and the wife? Huh? See, let me tell you, you are a stranger here. You are a stranger here. And people will come here thinking that you want to snatch somebody's wife. If I will go, I will just leave you alone. See, I don't care. I don't care. Did you smoke a ball? And I want to marry. Smoke colors. What is your problem? See, you have to be careful. Why Yoruba? You have to be very, very careful. Because if you do anyhow, here, you will definitely collect anyhow. And no, still.
You've been here for some time now without a word. What do you want to buy?
He did that to you.
Who? What? I fell down.
With your face. Chisom, you fell with your face. Come on. You're a terrible liar. I was at your house yesterday and I came with a Ekene. I had everything. Everything. I almost came in, but Ekene held me back.
My love, I am so tired. I'm tired of this sufferness. I'm tired of this hardship. You can imagine. How will a man, a graduate like me, be suffering like this? I don't know what else to do. My schoolmate in the city said there's nothing for me yet.
My love, since nothing is coming out from the city, why not settle here? A lot of people neglect the village, but there's still money here. You can start up an Okada business or open a shop.
An Okada business or open a shop? Is it not money that I will use? Where will I get the money? Only the hardship is too much. All I do is jump from one farm to the other. Is that how I will survive? Take care of you? No. I'm tired of this whole thing. I feel like committing suicide.
God forbid. See, let me tell you, I've saved up some money. I'll give them all to you. So that you can get a bike and start an Okada business. Before you know it, you start giving to people for higher purchase and open a very big shop.
Baby? Wait. You said you give me the money.
I'll give you all.
Hey. What would I have done without you, my love?
You know you're my heart and I love you so much.
Hey. What would I have done without you? Nothing. Actually nothing. See, when I make money, I will first of all change this your wig. Wig alleviation program. That is what I will do.
And we'll do our wedding.
Sure, bankan. That's how man oyechi.
But not in this village. We'll do it in this
city.
I don't want to see this village people's face.
I know. Right. Maybe thank you very much. So, when are you going to give me the money?
Tomorrow.
Tomorrow? Hi. Baby, I promise you that I will love you forever. Nothing will make my love change. Baby, thank you. Thank you. Let us go inside. Can't wait.
A bad man.
Can't wait. Baby, naga. Naga. There's a ginazo. Hey, my love. Hey, if you see what happened. Hey, all my classmates on the channel.
Are you serious?
Hey, oh my word. Man, money is good.
Very good though.
This one suits me personally, honey. Thank you very much. If not be because of you. Where would I get money? Where would I have gotten the money to go there?
Oh, Bim, it's nothing. I know I can do anything for you.
I know, baby. Hey, you see, no, plenty people. But then I met one of my friends. One girl I was helping those days in school. Those days I used to help her. Very beautiful woman. But Anna could see her Instagram. You know these ones. So I was helping her with her assignment. When she saw me, she said, Osundu, you're not doing anything. Look at you. How you're dressed. I said, that's not, you know how it is now. And she's now said that she will tell her father that her father will help me, and then I'm gonna go look into my matter. Yes, so you sweet me, oh.
Really?
Yes, so.
But hope no one is trying to buy my heart with her father's money.
In this life, no. Even in the next life, I will still choose you. My love, nobody can do it. It is you
or nobody.
Say it again. It is you or nobody.
No, it is me or nobody.
Me
or nobody. I trust you.
Baby.
But you did not bring anything for me.
Honey, that place does not look like an August meeting ground. Though. Hey, everybody on this show. So it's not a place you can just. But I looked around and I saw this one on top one table. Mediatina. And I collected it and then sucking in my pocket so that I'll bring for my love. I bring for my love.
That is why I love you.
Baby, test this. Hey. Yeah, sorry, also. Away. One deserve it. Drink, you deserve it.
It's sweet though.
You like it? Let me cover it. You'll be drinking it small. That is my token.
It will last for like 1 week.
Baby, thank you. Thank you very much. Hey, God bless the day I met you.
Thank you.
Anybody that will come between us, Hey!
We'll chase them.
Hey! Man is in
I trust you.
My love, what is the problem? Why is your face so wrinkled? Your uncle again? So what is the problem? IK?
I'm pregnant.
Where could that thing? You are what?
I'm pregnant.
Okay, if we're elephants, you're pregnant.
Yes.
Jesus Christ. What does this mean? Honey, what is the meaning of this? What kind of information? Do I have what I'm doing? Now you're pregnant. How could you allow yourself to be pregnant? No. Maybe you will abort this one. You have to abort it because I'm not ready. Are you ready?
What? I can't! Do you want me to die? How can you even suggest such a Osundu?
What? I can't. Do you want me to die? Is that a new song? Oh, it's a child. So that when you come here, once you tell me, you say what? I can't. Do you want me to die? You joined choir newly. Choir master told you this. How can you allow yourself to be used? Eh? Are you sure I'm the one?
Osundu!
Stop shouting Osundu as if I am here with you and you're shouting Osundu. Because I cannot clear my eyes like this and make you pregnant in my condition. Or say would you want to say what's No. You have to how can you be so careless? Listen, you have to remove this pregnancy.
I can't, please.
Okay, you can't. I don't know, but that means you show us who gave you better.
But you know you're the one now.
How do I know? I don't have money. Were you not the one who brought money and I bought Okada? Anyway. In fact, I'm going out. I'm going out. Can you go one box and cool off? I'm going to go here.
Are you leaving?
Chisom. You not joy for.
Osundu! What do you want me to do now, Osundu?
200
Osundu has killed me. Osundu has killed me. Osundu has killed me. Where will I start from? Where will I go to? Hey, Osundu! Hey! Uncle. Okay.
What are you doing here? What brought you to my house? Obi
why are you doing this to me?
Obi kuri nnukwu Obi m ọzọ nkwọ gị kpomkpom. Obi m. Who's your Obi? You want to cage me in this village, Okwara? Come na gị pasa. Look you, look me. Look you, look me. And see if we are in the same category.
Hey.
Are we in the same category that you want to cage my I have a future. I have a future. And I have to pursue it. You cannot cage me. Nonsense. You went and got pregnant so that I can't worry you. Oh, yeah.
Osundu.
Osundu kill you there. If you call my name again, I will wag it slight tackle. I don't want to tell you go. Stay here when you have sense. When you have sense, you can leave my house.
Are you going out?
Where is Chisom?
She went to get some goods. I'm actually waiting for her myself.
Okay, tell her that came. She should try and see me. It's very important, please.
I will.
Thank you.
She's no longer here. You can come out. Yes, come out. She's gone. What was that for? Why did you have to run off like that?
She's the owner of the shop. I'm supposed to go and meet her up for sales check and balancing. I've not seen her for 3 weeks now.
So why haven't you gone?
I don't have the money.
I'm sorry to ask. How much are we talking about?
60,000 naira.
60,000 naira. So why don't you have the money? Don't you make sales?
Osundu.
Osundu. People are seeing and they have started talking. The manner at which you beat your wife is becoming unbearable. It is only when a madman dies, you know that he has family members. She might be an orphan, no doubt about that. But if anything happens to her, her family will come for you. And I will completely wash off my hands because I warned you.
Okay. So, Uncle, what you are expecting from me is to fold my arms. Fold my arms when she's insulting me, okay? I should just keep quiet. Right?
Osundu, you took her business money to drink alcohol. Moreover, the young lady is pregnant. You know women and the way they talk. Is that enough for you to bounce on her?
You just say, if you have not done, be the first to cast a stone if you are without a sin. I'm a history.
Am I drinking on credit? I drink with my money, not my wife's business money. Don't you consider her condition with her pregnancy? You are even bouncing on her, beating her. I have warned you and I will continue to warn you.
Please, I have said it. Let it be on me. Whatever that happens, let it be on me. Yeah.
That's when I was wrong.
Anyway, monster the way 88.
Ayaka kadi elikwangbulo.
Ana kene why? Si kene way to bari.
Ayaka ka Osundu odi elikwangbulo. That's when I was wrong. Maka o Yesu. O Yesu.
Nyasu.
Yes, o Yesu.
Nyasu.
Also ka maybe yem. Ka monyi ya ekwuro. Ana gosi mmadụ ụzọ na-eti isi n'ọfịa. Ka ụdị mmadụ ịbụ. Osundu ka ụdị mmadụ ịbụ. Osuo ịkpọkwana m. Akpọkwana m. Asịkwa na agbara gị.
Hi, Chisom. How are you? Is my love around?
See this place now, eh? Belongs to me. So nobody should come and tell you, you will not do anything in this land. No. My name is Osundu Agwikenumo. Ezboto Kambo. Are you listening to me? No problem. So from here to there. Yeah. Udo Adigo. Yes. Down. Bam. It is my land. Okay. My father left it for me before he died.
Okay, that's no problem. But the only thing I don't like is when I want to start work. Some people will come and disturb me.
Okay.
I don't like it at all.
You know, when you guys are living in Lagos, yes. When you come down to the village, some people will begin to see you like anybody that tries it on my land. Yeah.
Manego.
Yeah.
No problem.
Typo.
Let's go. Oh, I'm I am now in the laughing stock. Yeah. There is no one to run to. Ain't no Jurimo, Anna Jurimo. Oh, this is the fate of my life. One more, you can measure. Oh, come measure. One more, you can measure. Half of that time. Oh, I'm a victim of circumstance. Everyone is judging me. I'm rejected by the world. I am all alone, waiting for a mirror.
Hey, Mama.
That was such a good meal.
Yeah? No, she can cook.
Very well.
That is the only enjoyment, the one that will marry her.
So as I cleared my plate,
I know.
I can't wait for what she'll make for me tomorrow.
Baby, just say what you want to eat and consider it donatus.
I want vegetable soup.
Vegetable soup is shabby. Did you hear it? She said vegetable soup.
Please, is the water ready? Chisom, is my bathing water ready?
On her joy, she's asking you, is her bathing water ready? Then we look at Bumaya. It I know say, oh, carpenter won't say, why your paint? Eh? Yes or no? Well, sometimes I don't understand this girl. I'm a real guy.
Babe, I beg, just let her be. You know she's pregnant and they mostly have mood swings. And you know her hormones and all. Let's just give her some grace.
Yeah, well, one hormone, but she should carry that hormones and what is it called? Her mood swings to whoever that good man that made her pregnant. Am I the one who impregnated her?
Good man?
Yes, so.
How would you call a person that put her in this condition a good man? Someone that impregnated your cousin, an orphan, and ran away. How would you call him a good man? Baby, he's the devil.
No,
he's a wicked man. And I pray God will punish him wherever he is.
Say no more. Say no more. My love, say no more. God will not punish him. Do you know why? To even get a woman pregnant is not easy. And this kind of a person, I got the wine, baby. Getting pregnant may be difficult though. So that man deserves flower. Well done. So yeah, say may God not punish him. Oh.
No, babe, I beg, just let her be.
Okay, what if she was the one who raped the man? What if she forced her way into the man? Yeah.
Babe, how can a woman rape a man?
Baby, are you in 1950? In this Gen Z, there's nothing they cannot do. Even though she's an old Gen Z. I got the wine, baby. Growing up. One lady was on me. I was not an Okada rider then. Hey, the lady was calling me my boy. What are you doing here? You're enjoying senior joke. Go in. And she said she wants vegetable soup. Inside, mix that water. Let it not be too hot. For skin.
Sometimes just be patient.
Baby, just change it. Thank God for the person that impregnated her. This girl is monopole.
Baby, I still feel bad for her.
Right?
She didn't ask for it.
So why they're on them? What will happen now is that you will go inside and have your bath. Hey! There. I will be waiting in the room.
Says your voice just changed.
Why? Why wouldn't it change? Sugar no food. I see you and Manu I John but if I see your mother, in fact, I will give your mother drink. Does she drink?
Yes.
1 carton of A4 now for giving birth to you. Hey, should I come and rub your back?
No, I'll be fine.
What if I come and be pouring
Baby,
water?
leave me, I'll be fine.
Okay.
I'll be waiting for you.
Hey! Wasa! Hey! Chisom, if you like, well, Gamalin Tiana million one Jawar, Katonda Bagananya. Chinenye skirt! What the, okay. No wonder flavor you go. What a Makatam. Now I flavor by going your lingo. Oza or Imoke Kubas or Chineke!
Osundu, I was told you were at Ipaland yesterday with some agents. Don't tell me you want to sell your land. Before that, who is the lady in front of the house? Where is Chisom?
Which one are you talking about? Eh? Who is the lady in front of the house? Where is Chisom? Land. Choose one. Are you looking for your daughter, your last born? Or in Ajum Chisom, no Chisom who's skipper. Mboyen Chisom. Na can to ebe na mma n'ukwu na-eche Chisom. Because obu no we ichi ikwu uncle before I say na mkpali ode afia aru ejebe na umunna. Na ma ha tukwu ho Joseph.
Mama defu. Manasi na obuna ikwu amaro ibezie. Onye obuna na mara ebe mmiri si wee mabia ọma ebe o si wee kwụsị. That land at Ekpa is the only land your late father, my brother, left. So anybody advising you to say that land is not giving you a good advice, it wasn't a good idea. What will you leave for your children? Moreover, you have wife now that needs that land.
Uncle, I've been listening to you so that I will hear when you said, Osundu Aguike, you took people, land buyers, to somebody's land. You want to sell somebody's land to them. Don't do it. But I did not hear you. I heard you say the land in question is your late father's land. Automatically it is mine. Adokazinan Pantin. Zuoike. The land belongs to me. So what is the offense? I have the sole right to sell it.
Inherited land I'm talking about. It's not the land you bought with your money. This is the land you inherited from my brother. My late brother, your father. Well,
okay.
My advice to you is this. Please don't sell that land. That land is family land. Don't sell that land.
Who even told you that my children, when I have children, they will stay in this village? Who told you? Eh? Don't worry. Oh, I'm not going to walk and not about leka. When I have my children, they will buy as many land as they can. They will build as many land as they can. I want to sell the land so that I have a future to pursue. Can't get two on them. You know about ask him, don't sell land. Of what use and of what benefit would that land be for me? No, I'm no now wine na village. I can eat me. No people who live in the village. Uncle Biko, before I send them out, if you do not have any other thing to say, Biko, who's on the gate? Emechi. What's that?
I have given my own advice, but please don't sell that land.
Oh, land protector. When I sell it, Uncle, go and fight them and collect the money. Imagine this man. I know. I want one money been there.
Baby, what were you two talking about for so long?
Imagine. Do you know that man was eyeing you? He said, "Who is that beautiful girl?"
It's a lie.
Who girl was? He admiration, no?
No wonder. I noticed it was how he was looking at me.
Yeah, off on wearing Sonia one. Hey, and the man now said, "You see that land you are planning to sell? Don't sell it."
Eh? Ha! No, babe. We have to sell that land.
You the wine?
So we can use the money, go to the city, and establish, babe. So that, you know how these village people, how they think. They want to discourage you. So they will keep you in this village. Or do you want to stay here?
Me? Yeah, no. I have to sell the land so that we relocate to the city. Mburu Diego, biakuto your father and say, "Chief, I am ready to marry your daughter. And I love her so much, and I will take care of her." Aww. You know, Esther was broke. But when Esther sold land, established.
Baby, you know, like, I support everything you're doing.
Hey.
I'm solidly behind you. And this step we are taking right now is the best thing for us. You know you're a graduate now. You can't stay here.
And I graduated with 2-1. Do you know the truth?
What?
The day I was speaking to you, one woman saw me and said, "Ijikwa anyang, imukwa anya, nsi ana amum." Nsi ana amum kworo oto. Hey, oh mind that man.
Good day, ma.
Good day.
Good day.
How may I help you?
I am Ayomide, but you can call me Ayo. I'm friends to Chisom. She gave me this to give to you. She said it's for sales.
Okay. What about the list?
What list?
List for the things lacking in the shop.
Oh, that. She didn't give me any list, but I think she made mention of doing it herself.
Okay.
Yes.
No problem. Thank you.
Okay.
What kind of life am I living? From one problem to another. I thought leaving my uncle's house would have been a relief to a lot of stress. It seems like my uncle's house is better off. But what really happened to Osundu and I? What happened to all that love and companion? I should have aborted this pregnancy and have peace. And also have my love Osundu back. Peace, not love, I don't have. The only place I can actually find some relief and stress-free is no longer peaceful. Because I don't even know what Ada would do to me if she comes to that shop. Money I have not given her, not even half. Yet the shop is still empty. What kind of life is this? Maybe I should just end this whole troubles. Join my parents in the afterlife and have peace. The troubles here is too much for me to handle. The trouble is too much for me to
Where are you running off
to? Auntie Ada, good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
I wasn't running.
I went to the shop. You're not there. And I decided to come to the house to look for you.
I'm sorry. You know I don't owe you. It's just that things have been so difficult with me. The other day I was attacked and the money I was supposed to...
Didn't you give your friend money? The copper to give to me?
Oh! I'm sorry, ma. I'm sorry.
I'll be going to market today or tomorrow.
Okay.
As soon as the goods arrive, I will call you to come and pick yours.
Okay, ma. Thank you, ma. Go away, ma. Ayo. Money. How?
mejoro. Onye kamo mejoro. Wanomo onye kam mejoro.
Copper! 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 Copper!
Chisom. Chichi. This one your face look like Agede Baroka. Eh? Like a broken bottle. I hope all is well.
Ekene, good day.
Good day.
Please, I'm just coming back from the Copper's house. Have you seen him today?
Copper's where?
Copper's house.
I'm just coming back from Copper's lodge. I hope all is well. See, I don't think he's around though. Normally, you know that he will be in school by now. Eh? But you telling me that you're just coming back from his lodge now. Okay. I hope all is well.
Yes.
All is well, Chisom.
Yes, thank you.
Yes. How is your husband?
He is fine. Thank you.
I hope it's not what I'm suspecting. Chisom, you are pregnant. Chisom, you are married. And you told me that he's just coming back from a Copper's lodge. I hope it's not what I'm suspecting. Chisom. Okay. I'll be watching.
I find it so difficult to believe he saved me from this mess. Where did he get all that money from? I have to look for a way to give him back that money. Just see what Osundu is making me go through. Just because I love him. Gradually, I am becoming a shadow of myself.
Ayo, thank you. Cute boy with a good heart.
Auntie, are you okay?
So, I don't feel too good.
Have you taken medication? Where is Uncle?
He went out since morning.
Oh, okay, let me fix something for you to eat. But let me go and get drugs for you first. Sorry, I'm coming. Sorry. If you can get up, just try. Sorry.
Uncle, good evening. Welcome.
Chisom,
Sir?
what are you doing here? Hope you have not caused a problem in your husband's house. Because you can't stay here.
No, sir. I came to see how you people are doing. I saw Auntie lying down very sick. I decided to stay with her until you come back.
Where is she? And I hope you're going this night because there's no space for you to sleep.
She's inside lying down. I've served your food. It's on top of the table.
Start going now. Night, start going.
Thank you, sir. Osundu, please open the door. Osundu, please now. I was at my uncle's place. Auntie was sick. I had to stay back to take care of her until uncle comes back. Osundu, please now. Where do you want me to go? Where do you want me to go now? And you know this place is not safe. Hey, what kind of problem is this one now? Osundu, please now. Bikonu, please. Osundu, please now. Where do you want me to go to? Bikonu, please. Hey, what kind of problem is this now?
Love is a beautiful thing. And I know how a woman feels when she is in love. This young man you always sneak out to see. Do you think he loves you as you claim?
Auntie, Osundu and I have come a long way. We are so in love.
When a man loves a woman, he goes straight to her family. Chisom, this hide and seek, I don't like it. Do you think he's speaking good of the man? Just in the recess.
Auntie, don't worry. Very soon, Osundu will come and pay my bride price.
Oh, that's what I want.
Thank you, Auntie.
Thank you so much for everything, Ayo. God bless you.
Amen. And God bless you too. You know, sometimes I wonder, how can a man be so heartless? You know, to treat a woman the way Osundu is treating you. A beautiful lady like you. But, like I said, whenever you need anything, do not hesitate to call me. Okay?
You have done enough. I'll see you later at the shop. Thank you.
Be good, okay? Call me if you need anything. Don't forget. I'm a call away.
Prostitute. Ashawo kobo. You are so shameless. So shameless and disgusting, Chisom. I knew it. When you came with your story of pregnancy, I knew I was not the only person. Have I not been vindicated? I have been vindicated. You see? No wonder your uncle knew how loose you are, how stupid you are. And then he pushed you to me. Listen, you see, I also do agwike. I am a hard nut to crack. Hard nut to crack. Me, Osundu, I am a hard nut to crack. You cannot. You are able. Luxembourg. That's what you are. You see the way you run up and down in the village, jumping around with that small boy? You see? Shame.
You locked me up outside even in my condition. This is all you have to say.
Okay, peletum. Muna ina abona aja. Boba aja. Ngwa. Why bute why nodo roku? Nodo ka mu nodo. Kai koba onu. Am ege nti. Neku. Ko na nti echirom.
I'll choose him over and over again. You're my worst nightmare. My biggest mistake, Osundu.
Are you talking to me? Are you talking to me? Are you really? Are you talking to me? You're talking to me. I'm your nightmare. I'm your biggest mistake. I'm your nightmare. I'm your nightmare. I'm your nightmare. Okay, now you know. Now you know that I'm your nightmare. Okay, that boy. See, it is between me and that boy. I will catch him. And when I catch him, are you looking at it? Out of this house now. Now. Out now. Are you?
Where is that good-for-nothing man? Huh? How can you be so wicked? How could you beat up a pregnant lady the way you did?
Who is this rat?
Excuse me.
Who is this? Who opened gate for you? Listen, you had the temerity, the effrontery to come into my compound to ask me questions. You do not even recognize the fact that you are not from here, and you have the mind to come and confront Osundu, confront Osundu Agwike. Oh, you have come to fight for your lover, a girl who is old enough to be your mother's first child. You don't have shame. You are not ashamed of yourself. Listen to me. If you do not live here, I will flog you like a child. Oh yes, you are a child, and I do not have regard for children who do not have respect for their elderly ones.
You are not man enough. Yes, I repeat, you are not man enough. You see that girl you treat as trash? I'm going to pick her up. I'm going to take her out of this village. I see you don't deserve her, so I'm going to give her the best life she deserves. You are so wicked. I would snatch her away from you. Watch me and see.
Okay. I understand. Leaders of tomorrow. That was what they told you in school. And you are wearing khaki. So you feel that, after this khaki now, I will make money. And then capable of snatching chisom from Osundu Agwike. Right? Listen, I am a graduate. Far before you were given, what's it called? Admission into that polytechnic. Because I'm not polytechnic. And that's why you have the temerity, the effrontery to challenge you and Odogu like me, Osundu Agwike. Listen to me. I am her God. She cannot live, obviously. I am the air she breathes. Did you hear me? Now, if you do not get away from here, I will slap you blue-black. I will pour you water if you do not live here.
I see.
You don't have sense?
I like the way you're talking. Just watch and see.
Look at this boy.
Watch and see.
If you don't leave here, I will pour you water. Anyway, look at this boy. Okay, Afonu is the problem. The next time I see you here, so that you respect your elders when you see one. You don't know that girl is old enough to be your mother's first child? You can see that we are money. Ah, this boy. Okay, don't worry. Step into my compound again and say rubbish. Atonda wagi. Idiots. Oh, kaki. Already, there's no job anywhere. Eat kaki. Ibanu bodeko. Chisom on Adaeze. And I'm asking why I'm a chicken. Get able to see I'm able to see a cool. I got away.
Hey. Wow. This one is even today's training. All my body is spinning. Just remind yourself. Copper. Yeah. See, I would have told you this, but I think this is the right time to say it to you.
What is it?
Copper. Say, it's not about Chisom.
What happened to her?
See, you should allow Chisom and her husband alone. You should leave them alone. But by the way, why did you harbor a pregnant married woman in your house? Yeah? You need cheer. Now quick walk in the morning. Now quick in the afternoon. Now quick in the night. Check it now. It's very, very wrong. It's very, very wrong. Oh. Check it now. Yeah? See, let me tell you, the pattern of marriage that is running these days is do or die affair. For better, for worse. Yes, you should leave them all. See, let me tell you, if you need girlfriend, just let me know. I will build. I will import some girls from different corners. You know, some people that, some girls that have pimple breasts, some that have purple breasts, some that have crayfish in your or caterpillar. I will do it. I am a can do. See, let me tell you something. For you to keep a pregnant woman in your house and be sleeping with her all the time, nature, see, that thing is taboo plus abomination. That is that abom. If it is not abomination in your own land, though, but here in our land is a very big abomination.
Ekene, please. Point of correction. I am not sleeping with Chisom. Huh? See, I am a responsible man. I'm an honorable man. I have discipline. I have self-control over my body. And I will never take advantage of her vulnerability. Ekene, you don't understand. That lady is going through a lot. You won't understand. Even the shop she goes to in the morning is not hers. Huh? Yes. And when she manages to make little sales, that man will come from nowhere and pick up all the money, leaving her in debt. If the only thing I can do is to snatch her away, and let me see what that self-acclaimed demigod will do about it, I will do it.
Snatch who?
Yes.
Snatch who?
But please, for the sake of clarity and transparency, I am not sleeping with her.
But
please.
But you say you want to smack a pregnant married woman for that matter. See, Ayo. Let me call you by your name. Ayo. You are a stranger here. You are not son of the soil like me. If anything happened to you here, nobody will come for your head or even run for your head. At all. See, it's better that you desist yourself from there. Because before your people will come, Otilo, Mokana.
Trust me, he cannot do anything. He's just a toothless dog.
And you're harboring a pregnant married woman in your house. In nature. You kept her inside your house as if it's brothers and sisters. And you're telling me that your vein is being disciplined. Your propeller is being disciplined. Check it now. Because I, Ekene, I know how my own behaves. My own doesn't have control now.
That is why you are Ekene. I am Ayo. Mine has discipline. I tell my body what it should do.
Forget about that.
The body telling me what to do.
Forget that thing. Because I know how my body is. In fact, right now my body needs massage.
Why don't you go and look for those girls, those small? You think I'm not here now for all your escapades? Go and call them to massage you. Hey. Are you going to the shop?
Ayo,
What is it?
thank you so much for everything.
Why are you emotional? It's nothing. Are you going to the shop?
I'm going back to my house.
Why? I thought we both agreed that we're leaving this village together. What happened? Why did you change your mind all of a sudden? Listen, Chisom, listen. If anything happens to you, I will never forgive myself.
Ayo, I can't do this. I'm a married woman. Marriage is a package you live with for the rest of your life.
At the detriment of your own life? Chisom, can't you see? He wants to kill you so he can move on to marrying someone else. He doesn't care about you as much as I do.
I'm sorry, I can't leave him. Besides, I'm carrying his child. What will I tell my child tomorrow if he asks after his father? I'll be a bad mother if I don't have a concrete answer. Ayo, you're a good man, but I can't do this with you.
Chisom, please. Please don't go back. I love you. Please.
I'm sorry. This is my fate. Let me live with it, please.
I'll be going on Saturday. The taxi will be here at 7 a.m. But I'll wait till 9, hoping that you'll be here before
What is life without you? How can I live without you? You are the only one that takes my breath away. Why are you stepping back? Won't you hold my hand? 'Cause I want to be your sanctuary forever, baby. Tell me, kitty can get me to keep you. Tell me, kitty can get me to have
What do you
you.
want?
Tell me, kitty can get me to hold you. I wanna be here forevermore, forevermore.
Oh yeah. Oyori. You're tired already. That's how. If I'm talking, are you mad? I'm talking. You're moving. I'm talking. You're moving.
Sorry, sir.
So you had the guts to come back here after sending your sex toy, the Yoruba boy, to come and attack me, okay? You now had to come back. How shameless. You're not even ashamed of yourself. Oh. You sent one toy premature. He didn't tell you his story. His bad story. Because look at how he is. Is he anything like me? Odogu? It's not. It's not. Anyway, I don't have your time now. I'm go di bia. I'm say uncle. No do na ekelesi. Come I am na igeje. Yala. Anyway. Let me see that boy on the road. On a lonely road. Let me see him. What is she still doing there? My friend, go inside. Come, go look at the gods now. Yeah, bush human being.
I don't go up there. Yeah, now. Come down. Now you're bad. No be table water company this.
This is table. The man said you should be rolled by the table water company. Why are you stopping me here?
Ghana here be the cocoa. No go area here. You want to kidnap me?
Come. Eh?
I don't understand.
See, please.
Okay, give my money, I beg.
I've told you before that I would need to use a POS to give you money. You don't have to hold my waist
I
like
don't
this.
understand.
Get your hands off
I'll
me.
be the mentor. Put you on POS.
Oga,
Do transfer for me.
Oga, why are you?
What kind of embarrassment is this? Why are you holding me because of 1,000 naira?
I dey fear you.
What is
you
the
wear
problem?
local.
What is the problem? Why are you holding him?
Carry this guy from park to city gate. From city gate to here now. No be table water company. I'll be there too for this community.
This is not the where I'm going. I told him, in fact, it was not even me. Somebody told him, because I do not know my way around here, that when he gets to this table water company, the road by the side of the table. This is the road by the side of the table water company.
Oga, please leave him.
What is this?
Leave him.
Oga, get your hands off me before I change you.
How much is the money?
1K, give me.
See,
you don't get money, talk. No talk. You don't get.
See, I can actually pay this
Don't
money.
worry. It's fine.
Oga,
I can pay this
you
money.
don't get money. All this is a fake life. We don't see him for years. Give me. Come on, carry.
Give him.
Carry. No, Oga.
Don't break my box.
Come on, yeah.
It's expensive.
Fake life. Or they live fake life. Make sure say, well, I go say my.
So why are you not going there? If you're not a mad person, why are you going there? Didn't you say you don't go there? Thank you. Thank you so much. See, I can actually pay this money. Just that I do not have physical cash. You know, I'm just sent to this place as a copper. I don't even know where I'm going, but I'll find my way. But please, thank you. Thank you for being so generous towards me, even without knowing me. I really appreciate this. But please, can you at least give me your number so I can call you and then send your money to you, or tell me where you are living so I can actually bring your money back to you?
It's not necessary.
No, I insist. Would you at least tell me your name? I didn't get your name. My name is Ayomide. So what am I going to do from here? I don't even know where I'm going. Huh? So if I had known, I would have just hold my car. Huh? So I'm going to drag my box down this local.
Chisom!
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. How are you?
I'm fine. Do you want to buy something?
No, you have to calm down. Copper Ayo say I should give this thing to you. Okay.
Thank you.
Jesus. Relax your face now. Small now. Jesus. However, give me biscuit. Let me wind my mouth.
I've not sold anything. Later.
Don't tell me you're stingy. Jesus. Jesus. I need to collect one biscuit. I think if you see where I come from now, you now have mercy on me now. Huh? Hey.
Beautiful soul. Reading this means we didn't get to live together. I want to say thank you. You made the end of my service here worth it. Thank you for the food, the advice, the togetherness, and everything. Though I'm leaving with a broken heart, but I guess it is what it is. I guess it's also part of the experience. I wish you nothing but happiness, peace, and every good thing that you wish yourself. I pray you learn to stand and fight for yourself. If wishes were horses, I wish I could stay there and fight for you. No matter what, don't forget that someone somewhere truly loves you and wishes nothing but the best for you. If fate decides, then we might meet again someday. Thank you so much. Yours truly, Ayomide Olayinka.
Okay. I know in some people's mind, let there be sit at home so bosses will not go to the city. But Okwara, Egwesu chakwara mo n'ụzọ. Ejimoku na thunder abịa kwute gị o ka ị marụ amosu chara mo n'ụzọ. I know in your mind, let me not succeed in the city. I will succeed. In fact, you are lucky I did not lock my door. Put it in my pocket and then go. Nonsense. When you are tired, carry your body to that good man that made you pregnant. You know it's not me. As a matter of fact, it's not me. I'm going to the city to better my life, not cage myself in this nonsense place. Please, let me not look for anything in my house. So. Anyway, I will not even come back again. Doesn't matter. I will shoot a quarrel.
Hebo, 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 hebo. Oh, I'm
Mazi, it's been months since Osundu left this village. And I can't get him on phone. No calls, no message, nothing from him.
Hey. Osundu again? I'm sure when he finished embezzling the money he realized from the lands he sold, he will return.
Osundu sold lands?
Yes. He sold everything, not even half plots, after all my warnings.
Hey, who is doing this to him? Who is doing this to Osundu?
Nobody is doing it to him. That is Osundu's lifestyle. But by the way, how are you managing? How are you coping?
Uncle, I'm fine. It's not been easy. It's not been easy. It's not been easy.
Stop crying. When you lack anything, call to me. Yes, I will take care of everything. Eh? Sorry.
Okay, sir.
Stop crying.
Thank you. Thank you, sir.
Take it.
Let me start going.
No.
Thank you, sir.
Hey. Just look at Ezibonwa, a very hard-working lady, fall into the hand of an idiot. Osundu.
Chisom, if I can hear you correctly, did you say I should allow you to stay in my house until you put to bed?
Yes, Uncle. It's been months since Osundu left this village. No call. No letter. Nothing, Uncle. Mazin is doing his best.
Chisom, it will not be possible. Yes, you are now married to them. So go and stay with your husband's uncle. You see, there's no space here. There's no space here. I cannot feed myself and my wife. Talk of a pregnant woman. I can't take care of a pregnant woman.
Nai, Chisom is like our child. Please, let's not allow her go through this. Please.
Keep quiet. Are you the one to decide for me who stays in my house or not? Nothing is wrong with Chisom. Look at her. Nothing is wrong with her. She's more healthy and nourished more than us. You're telling me I should allow her to... Chisom, no. No space in my house. Go.
Uncle, please don't send me away. Uncle, please. Don't send me away. Mercy has tried his best for me, Uncle. Hey. Osundu. Uncle. Life. Who would ever believe that this is how it is going to be for me? Life, what have I done to deserve this treatment? This fate is too ugly. No mother, no father, no siblings. Then the only person I thought was a Messiah is gone too. Osundu, where are you? Where did I ever go wrong? I think going to the big city to stay with Mbodi Chima is the best.
All this happened, and you thought it wise to keep it away from me. Now I know where the hatred of going to your village is coming from. What about the shop you're managing? What happened?
Madam Ada's husband asked her to come to Abuja. She sold everything before Mazi started taking good care of me. When things became so tough, I had to leave the village. On my way, I lost her address and her phone number in that accident. Before I met you.
So sad. What about you?
I don't know where he is. I've not heard from him either.
Baby, it's okay, it's fine. Okay? Come here. Come. See, I want to assure you that everything is going to be fine. I got your back.
Thank you so much.
I love you.
I love you too.
Baby. Honey, come on. Don't tell me you're like this because of a man that almost made you lose your life. What if I've lost your life during the process of all the troubles? This doesn't worth it. Please come to bed.
Victory is his son.
I know. I'm not trying to drag anybody's child with him. This all depends on what you want and the way you want it. So, just call the shots. Besides, you have given me a beautiful child that I'm proud of. So, I'll always support you and I'll always stand by you. Chisom. I love you so much.
I love you too. Thank you so much for all you do.
Come on.
What is life without you? How can I live without you? You are the only one that takes my breath away. Why are you stepping back? Won't you hold my hand? 'Cause I want to be your sanctuary forever, baby. Tell me.
Osundu!
Chisom.
Osundu!
Hey! Jesus! Chisom! Hey! Samo! Chisom.
I haven't come here to question you or to ask you why you did all you did. As you can see, I'm in a better place. All thanks to God and my wonderful husband, James.
I know, Chisom, I do not deserve your forgiveness. But please, in any way you can, find a place in your heart to forgive me. Because, I don't know. Amanda deceived me. That girl is not who I thought she was. Oh, hey, she did I sold the land. And look at me begging. I don't have anything. She duped me. Biko, forgive me. I'm sorry for all the things I did to you.
Well, I am here to show you your son.
My son. My son. She said, my son.
Baby,
hey! Jesus! What? So you look like me. My son. Hey! Hey, my God! Daddy! So this is my son. We have the same eyes, oh. We have the same eyes. Hey! Let me go.
Osundu, please. Please, bring him.
Hey, Daddy. Daddy. Hey. God, oh.
Enter the car.
Hey. At least I did not fail. I did not fail. What is his name?
His name is Victory.
Victory. I'm victorious. I'm victorious. I'm victorious. So, hey. Oh my God. Father in heaven, thank you. So, I want to thank you especially with your husband. I want to say thank you for taking care of my son. Because
he's my son too, so don't worry.
Oh my God. Hey. Chisom, please now give me your number. Biko, your number. Biko. How do I reach you people again?
It's not necessary.
Chisom. Chisom is me, oh. I will not leave you and go. I will enter you up.
What is life without you? How can I live without you? You are the only one that takes my breath away. Why are you stepping back? Won't you hold my hand? 'Cause I want to be your sanctuary forever, baby. Tell me, kitty, can get me to keep you. Tell me, kitty, can get me to have you. Tell me, kitty, can get me to hold you. I wanna be here forevermore, forevermore. I know you are afraid of what people will say. Won't you for once think of what your heart will say? You know I love you. I know you love me too. Can't you step out of your shell and be free? Tell me, kitty, can get me to keep you. Tell me, kitty, can get me to have you. Tell me, kitty, can get me to hold you. I wanna be here forevermore. Tell me, kitty, can